we gonna chill though, y'all, cause we is in the city, bro.
Yeah.
Hey, this bitch so nasty, bro. This bitch right here.
Nasty as fuck. Oh, boy. Oh, and you just came on. Yeah. Y'all here now. That's right behind.
Hey, this the most I've ever turned up in my shit. That's slim.
Bye-bye. Bumpy as hell out here, man. These motherfucking roads need to get fixed. My nigga Dada in the back, man. I know we in the store with it right now.
Hey, they got them Uncrustables right there.
Hey, I just called somebody with the bitch that said Uncrustables in there.
Yeah, bro. He always got some jokes. Check out the drip for today, man. Louis bag.
And I'm going to hit a nigga with an old snap pickle head ass.
I know I got some. Hey, bro, grab some social leaves too. The peach
Can I
ones.
get 30 on there? Can I get some,
We're gonna make the best of the motherfucking best though. Y'all know how we get. Look at that. Oh, y'all probably can't see it. V6 over there. Y'all hear that, boy? Get up. Oh, look who we caught in traffic. 392, that SRT table. Subscribe, SRT.
what y'all about to do? Oh, y'all? Huh?
Hey, let me roll up. I got the woods. All right, come on, turn around.
Hey, we gotta hurry up though. Neil said be there at 1:30.
Yeah. Y'all hear that shit? Hey, we finna go get our hair cut though. I'm gonna hit y'all the boys up when we get to the barbershop. Or when we on that road.
Fuck, boy. Yeah, y'all, we on our way to the little Zaza factory and shit. I might have Z draw though, man, for a little surprise though. You know what I'm saying? Just because it's his birthday, you feel me? I might have my nigga Z take over the hit.
That's gonna turn up the video way more.
Oh, bro, cause hey, he gonna be the first brother. I ain't even let SRT table. I ain't even let my other brother drive. You feel me? So it's just like, bro, if I let Z drive, then Table gotta drive. You feel me?
Feel me? It's only right.
But
We had that scat wine buddy.
hey, and another thing, bro. We about to start a little rapping. We about to start a little business, bro. So, feel me? If y'all want y'all cars rap, bro,
Top in.
you feel me? And we niggas business is gonna be like Stock Boys or MBK related, bro. You feel me? Y'all need y'all shit rap.
Today, 3:45 guys. The next day. Feel me? We finna get ready to go out here, man. It's my nigga Z birthday. 45 right here in December. Good. My nigga Z birthday. Tell us Karen what's the deal, man. Just finna have a movie for y'all today, man. So nigga birthday. Part 2 for y'all. We're getting ready right now, you feel me? Everybody throwing that drip on. You feel me? I'm gonna get up with y'all though tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow. Not tomorrow, bro. Later, nigga, when we get out in the car, man. Yeah, 3:45, gang. Back out here, day 2. My nigga Z birthday. Yeah, I know what the fuck going on, man. This was for my nigga birthday, man. At 345 gang. Just got to the motherfucking river road. What's going on, man? It's my niggas' birthday. We just walking around. See what the fuck going on at this bitch. Dude.
What you say, dude?
Bitch, it's your channel. Fuck is you on? Niggas, dude.
Take over.
That's just hard.
Down with the after.
What y'all niggas on, man? It's a good ass day out here, though. I ain't gonna lie. This nigga 345 trying to sit down and shit.
This nigga don't know where he walking.
Buy me a scooter, bro, so I can get
This
around.
nigga talking about
Buy me a scooter so I can get around.
Hey,
Buy me a scooter.
nigga about to walk right into them cuffs.
It's funny as hell.
Buy me a scooter, bro. What's the word, man?
Y'all niggas ain't no shit. They ain't even trying to make the vid. So, like, when this bitch get posted, bro, that's what y'all niggas gotta remember,
I'm
bro.
grabbing vid.
I'm trying to
I'm
record this
grabbing
bitch,
Cam
bro.
in a minute, bro.
They
Y'all
know this my
mother-
seal today, man.
Man, he capping, bro. My nigga 345, 2 blood. Y'all got the niggas on the bikes and shit. Lame, man. I'm gonna get up with y'all, though. Man, we at the river road. This bitch is not smacking.
It's smacking, y'all. We just ain't gonna be outside like that, so we don't know what the fuck going on. He said, fuck him today. Bro.
You gonna have me work by myself?
Bro, come on, where you going? Come on, we not finna walk over there, bro. Man, get the way. We out here in this bitch. What y'all boys on, man? Fuck the police, nigga. They talking crazy as hell. I wouldn't dare let them niggas take my shit. So there, y'all. We just left the motherfucking Riverwalk. That bitch was hot. Slamming for real. You feel me? We finna go get into something else though.